Hey everyone, I just thought I'd shoot a really quick video here. I just got done putting a new power window motor in my 92 Dodge First Gen diesel here. This is a job that I've been putting off for over a year now because I've read horror stories about how difficult it is to tear these doors apart. You know, the regulators are spring loaded and can take your finger off if you're not careful. I heard all kinds of horror stories, and I just really was hesitant to dig into this. I'm so busy with doing other things as well. We're building a house and just didn't want to take the time to deal with it. But it's break up here in Fairbanks, so decided I'd tear into it. I found a shortcut here that made this a super simple job. There's really nothing to it. If I knew it was this easy, I would have done this when the window first failed. Here's the old power window motor I took out. And what I did, you can see here, here, and here, I simply drilled holes. I used a 1/2-inch drill bit, and then I enlarged the holes with the Dremel tool, with a sanding drum, just enough that I was able to get my 3/8 driver in those three screw holes. I didn't take the regulator bolts out, so I didn't have to worry about the window falling out of the track or the regulator coming loose or pinching my fingers. It really was a super simple job once I made these 3 holes. Now, to know where to make these holes, I used the new motor, and I had a pair of calipers, and I just used my dial calipers on the new motor. Once I got the first hole located, which you can see the bolt from this hole, I simply used the calipers and drilled the hole and enlarged it with the sanding drum just enough to get that thing in there, and really there's nothing at all to it. Took the old motor out, swapped the new one in, and super simple. So if you don't mind drilling a few extra holes in your door where it's never going to be seen under your panel, it's a super easy way to do it. Got it switched. My window works. It's the first that window's worked for over a year now. One other thing I'll point out real quick. When I first plugged, and this is the plug to the motor, when I first plugged this in, my switch actually worked backwards. I had to push it down for the window to go up, and vice versa. I had to push it in the up direction to get it to come down. I was actually able to, if you see this little yellow piece in the plug, I was actually able to pop that yellow piece out the front and actually swap the green and the yellow wires in this plug. I just pulled them out the back of the plug. After this yellow piece is popped out, you just swap those wires and pop that yellow piece back in. Apparently they're made that way. Maybe different trucks are wired differently. But I had to do that. And now the switch operates as it should. Up is up, down is down. So, anyhow, I hope this helps somebody else out there. Maybe I forgot to mention, when I did swap the motor, the window is in up position. I didn't have to tape the window. You know, I've heard people saying about duct taping the window. I didn't have to do that at all. Window was up. Simply unbolted the old motor, and you can reach right in there. Super easy. Put the new one in place, and I'm good to go. Hope this helps somebody out there.